Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you one design trick how you can go from this to this. If you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe for more Power BI tips. Now let's get started. And here we have 5 card visualizations, and now I will show you how to merge them into one. First thing that you need to do is let's align them. So we are going to select all of them like this, and next we are going to select Format tab and select Align option, and we are going to align them by middle. And next thing, we are going to distribute horizontally. This option will set same space between cards, between visuals. Now when we have aligned them, next thing that we are going to do is we are going to click on Insert tab, Add shape. So from shapes we will choose rounded rectangle, and here we have rounded rectangle. Now let's put it over card visualizations and expand it across all of them. Now let's format this shape. Click on Format tab and send it backward, send to back. Next thing that we are going to do is we are going to change color for this shape. So select shape style, fill, and change it to white. Okay, looks good. Let's just remove border. We don't want orange border. You can add any other you want. Now we want to combine all these cards into one visualization because they are still independent visualizations. You can move each one of them separately. How we're going to do that? So again, we will select all visualizations that we want to group and right click on it, click on group and select group. Now this visualization will act as a one visualization. If you click on it and you want to move it, it will move everything together. So it goes everything together, not one by one as it was the case. And that's it for today's video. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like video. See you in one of my next videos. Bye.